Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. On an old POS Troy built. POS edition. The customer brought it. I guess they got some sidewall plugs to hold the tires up. They brought some new tires on rims or better used ones. They got some new front tires, but they don't have them on quite right. Said it'll crank but won't start. They got a new battery in it, air filter, not too bad. Fuel filter, looks like it's been a little while. It kind of worries me because bolts are all out, loose, missing from the cover. So someone's been fucking with it. It always pisses me off when someone fucks with an engine before bringing it to me. I looked at the oil. Almost, when I first pulled it out, almost looked like it had some real old oil on it and some brand new oil mixed, like it never had oil change and was super low, and then they just topped it off with some new. Let's see if we've started here. We got the clutch pushed in and the hell. Well, the clicking noise went away. Before I started the video, I tried starting it and heard that. So I'm guessing they had it run low on oil and topped it off. Probably ran out of oil. At least not seized up. That's probably the push rods or lifters or valves or whatever rattling. Got some oil pumping around to them here now. Maybe we'll get lucky and maybe we'll start. But I'm not getting too hopeful or excited here. It just seems to be spinning awfully freely after I let go of the key. Yeah, I'm going to get a compression tester out. I bet they run the sumbitch out of oil and blew the engine. I'll post in the comments or description here what the results are, but I'm guessing it's not going to be any compression, or not hardly any. I bet they ran it low on oil and never changed the oil and just put some new in to top it off before bringing it. Oh, thanks for watching. Joe Smith, sign out.